Welcome to the ultimate off-road showdown, General Grabber AT3 vs BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2, two titans of the all-terrain world battling it out across gravel, mud, snow, wet, and dry conditions. Let's hit the trail and see which tire reigns supreme. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the General Grabber AT3 set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to gravel, the KO2 takes the lead in handling, achieving a speed of 65.4 km per hour compared to the Grabber AT3 average speed of 62.9 km per hour. In braking, the KO2 stops 0.4 meters shorter, needing 11.3 meters to come to a halt. For traction, the KO2 pulls just so slightly ahead with 4.2 newtons compared to the AT3 force of 4.15 newtons. In sand, the Grabber AT3 fights back, delivering better traction with a grip of 1.9 newtons, slightly ahead of the KO2 value of 1.88 newtons. However, in mud, the KO2 takes the slight edge with 0.95 newtons of traction, outperforming the AT3 force of 0.94 newtons. On snow, the KO2 stops 0.5 meters shorter in braking, coming to a halt in 26.8 meters, but the Grabber AT3 takes a slight lead in traction, delivering 3.7 newton of grip compared to the KO2 value of 3.6 newton. For handling, the KO2 responds with a faster lap, completing at 1.8 km per hour quicker than the Grabber AT3. In wet conditions, the Grabber AT3 excels, stopping 6.2 meters shorter than the KO2 with a braking distance of 39.7 meters. It also handles better, achieving a speed of 76.8 km per hour compared to the KO2 average speed of 72.1 km per hour. However, the KO2 counters with better aquaplaning resistance, holding grip at 60.9 km per hour versus the AT3 slipping speed of 59.4 km per hour. On dry pavement, the Grabber AT3 takes a slight lead in braking, stopping 0.3 meters shorter at 44.4 meters. It also handles faster, achieving a speed of 87.8 km per hour compared to the KO2 average speed of 86 km per hour. When it comes to noise and rolling resistance, the General Grabber AT3 outshines the BFGoodrich KO2. It is quieter, producing 2.5 decibels less compared to the KO2. Additionally, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 9.3 versus the KO2 value of 10.7, the AT3 proves to be the more efficient choice on paved roads. So, which tire fits your needs? The General Grabber AT3 excels in wet, dry, noise, and efficiency while matching in sand and mud performances, making it a versatile option for on-road and off-road use. On the other hand, the BFGoodrich KO2 shines in gravel and snow handling, perfect for off-road enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.